Welcome to Forklore Tales. Today, we explore one of Japan's finest culinary treasures, the snow crab. Ever wondered why it's called the king of crabs? Japanese snow crab, especially the Matsuba variety from Hyogo, is prized for its sweet, tender, and rich flavor. These crabs thrive in Japan's cold waters, achieving peak quality in winter. Matsuba snow crab is harvested during this season, celebrated for its unmatched taste and cultural significance. Join us as we guide you through preparing this delicacy at home. From selecting the perfect crab to detailed cooking steps, we'll help you turn your kitchen into an authentic Japanese dining experience. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. First, place a knife in the middle of the crab. Using a sharp blade makes it easier to cut through the crab. Once you've made the cut, fold the crab like a book. Hold it this way and carefully continue the cut. It should open up easily. Remove as much miso, crab innards as you can, and place it into the shell. This step enhances the flavor when you steam the shell later. Next, let's prepare the body meat. Remove the gills and the mouth parts, as these can have an unpleasant taste. Clean the crab thoroughly by rinsing it with a bit of sake. This process helps remove any remaining impurities and enhances the flavor. Once cleaned, place the body back into the shell. Now let's move on to the legs. When removing the legs, it's easier to do so from the base. Find the triangular base of the leg and cut from there. This makes the process smoother. Set the legs aside and split the body in half. Press down firmly with your hands to separate the two halves. This technique is crucial for accessing the delicious body meat. Snow crab body meat is rich and flavorful, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. You can even use it to make crab dumplings, known as sumir. It's a bit challenging to extract the meat, but the effort is well worth it. For the legs, removing the shell can be tricky, but it's essential for dishes like tempura, sashimi, and shabu shabu. Start by peeling off the top shell, trying to keep as much meat intact as possible. The meat is beautifully shiny and still moves slightly, showcasing its freshness. Ekizen crabs are particularly known for this quality. When you reach the joint, cut both sides of the shell, but be careful not to cut the meat. Twist and pull to separate the shell from the meat. This method ensures the meat remains whole and ready for your dish. If you're making sashimi, you might want to remove the thin red membrane for a cleaner presentation. Snow crabs are sold in supermarkets in Japan around this time of year for about 3,000 yen. Sometimes you can find crabs at a lower price if they are missing a leg. This minor imperfection doesn't affect the quality of the meat, making them a great deal. Whenever I see them, I buy them, prep them at home, and enjoy them with my family. It's a delightful experience you should try too. Snow crab body meat is rich and flavorful, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. You can even use it to make crab dumplings, known as tsumira. It's a bit challenging to extract the meat, but the effort is well worth it. First, let's steam the crab shell with miso. Place the shell in a steamer and add a splash of sake to enhance the flavor. Steam it for about 10 minutes until the miso becomes fragrant and slightly caramelized. This step infuses the crab meat with a rich umami flavor that's simply irresistible. While the shell is steaming, let's prepare the crab legs. There are several delicious ways to enjoy them: sashimi, tempura, and shabu shabu. For sashimi, cut the leg meat into thin slices. Serve it with soy sauce, wasabi, and a slice of lemon. The fresh, sweet taste of raw crab meat is a delicacy that truly showcases its quality. For tempura, Coat the leg meat lightly in tempura batter and fry until golden and crispy. The contrast between the crunchy exterior and the tender, juicy crab meat inside is a taste sensation. Serve it with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, mirin, and dashi for an authentic Japanese experience. Once the shell and miso are done steaming, carefully remove the shell from the steamer. The miso should be rich and aromatic. Scoop out the miso and mix it with steamed rice for a simple yet delectable dish. The combination of crab miso and rice is a classic Japanese comfort food. Finally, let's not forget the body meat. Heat a pan with a little butter and soy sauce, then add the crab body meat. Saute it gently until heated through, being careful not to overcook. This method brings out the sweet and savory flavors of the crab. Finally, let's not forget the body meat. Heat a pan with a little butter and soy sauce, then add the crab body meat. Saute it gently until heated through, being careful not to overcook. This method brings out the sweet and savory flavors of the crab. And there you have it. From sashimi to tempura, shabu-shabu to miso rice, and sautéed crab meat, we've created a feast fit for royalty using our Matsuba snow crab. Each method highlights the unique qualities of this incredible ingredient.